Help! Someone is trapped under the rubble!
Leave it to us.
Huh? Huh?
Rescue the person trapped under the rubble.